Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, thank you for the give me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Abiyam Arafat Kubir and I am currently studying Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Daffodil International University. My student ID is 241334148. I have completed my SSC and HSC. I have completed my SSC Tengorpara High School and I have completed my SSC Notre Dame College Moymonsinh with a good GPA. Since my childhood, I have deeply interested in science, technology and electronics. My curiosity about how electrical system and module device work inspired me to choose engineering as my career path. Currently, I am enhancing my technological knowledge and prepared skill those university course, lab work, engineering project, presentation and teamwork activities. I am inspired my interested in electrical system, electronics, automation and renewable energy and smart technology that can improve people daily life. Along with my academic study, I continuously work at improving my communication leadership and problem solution skill. I have basic knowledge of computer applications and technological tools, and I enjoy learning is a new technologies and exploring innovative ideas. I believe learning is a communication process and every challenges is an opportunity to grow. I am a hardworking, honest and self-motivated and quickly learner. I enjoy working in team because teamwork help me to develop our self-improvement, responsibility and leadership qualities. I always try to complete my responsibility with sincerely dedication and confidence. My future goal is to become a successful and skilled engineer who can contribute my society through innovation and modern technology and sustainable solution. I want to build my career with I can contribute learning and face new challenges and make a positive impact through my work. I strongly believe is dedication, confidence and communication self-improvement is a key to success is both personal and professional life. Thank you so much to watching my video resume and listen to my introduction. I truly appreciate you time and attention. I hope to accept my goal through hard work, creativity and determination. Have a great day. Thank you.